Sticking to a goal or wanting to create a new habit or new way of working can often feel impossible. Why is that? Well, I recently delivered a webinar for a client where we discussed the best possible way to write our goals and then also explored and discussed some of the science behind what can often divert us from achieving them. Our brains are wired to seek immediate rewards. And in evolutionary terms, this made sense, of course, because survival depended on quick decisions and immediate gratification. But today, that brain wiring often works against us when we're trying to stick to long-term goals. How can we trick our brains and break those bad habits and reach our goals? Well, here are two key strategies backed by neuroscience. Firstly, think about changing your environment, because your environment plays a huge role in shaping your behaviour. Neuroscientists call this cue-induced behaviour. We automatically act based on the cues around us. So, for example, if you want to make healthier choices, place fruits or vegetables where you can easily see them, or keep your workout gear handy and ready to go in the hall. Your brain will be conditioned to associate these cues with healthy actions. Secondly, use the power of implementation intentions. When we set vague goals, like I want to get fit, our brain doesn't know how to make them happen. So instead, be specific about implementation intentions and change I want to get fit to I'll go for a 30-minute walk every day at 6 p.m. This can trigger a part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making and self-control. Being specific about when, where, and how you'll act reduces the brain's resistance to following through. So the key takeaway here is that achieving our goals is more than just willpower. It's about leveraging your brain's wiring to your advantage. By setting up your environment and creating clear action plans, you can trick your brain into making those good habits stick. So get in touch if you want to know more about how to give yourself the best possible chance to achieve your goals.